Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So, on my last video I saw that one of you had commented that you would like to see a review of my EC Petite Folio, which is this. I'm not really sure the color, I'll have it linked down below. But what I have is I have the Planny pack? Panty? It's just like it holds all your goodies in here. And then also I have the pen loop, and honestly I don't use it every day, but I love it. I don't know, something about it, maybe it's just different from the Happy Planner. It's nice to have something new, and also something where I do have the daily like insert in here, so it is nice to have something where every single day I could sit down and, you know, just have a new sheet to plan on, which is fun. And I'm sure some of you out there will understand. And excuse my nails, my hands are so dry right now, it's not pretty. But yeah, so first of all there's this, which has a little pocket in the back, wraps around your petite thing, your Petite Folio, and I have all my midliners in here, which honestly I don't know, I've had these for years, but yeah, I guess they're really popular and I love them. And then I just have some little scissors and whiteout in here, which is a must. Other than that, I don't have anything else in here. I try to keep it as light as possible, but I do have my liners in here. And then getting on to the Petite Folio, it's the pink one. I don't know if it's really mauve or whatnot. In my pen loop, I have I love this pen, Energel by Pentel Liquid Gel Ink. I think it's 0.7 is the, I don't know, but it's like $5.99 at Target. I used to use these, the Stadler Tripless Fine Liner, but I just noticed it was a little bit too, I don't know, like fine, or I don't know, it just also, it's like markery, I don't know what that, but you know. Anyways, so I've grown to really love this, and I actually had to buy a couple more. I've used it so much. So going into my planner, I also have these pockets on both sides, and also just some of the stickers that it came with. So the first, well, really the last notebook I have in here is just a regular line notebook, and I just like this for list, and it's always nice to just have a blank sheet of paper. And then I could really take this out. It's October through December of 2019, and then I have January, March, April, and June in here. And if you saw my other video, I was explaining how I didn't really want to go, I didn't get the full pack because I didn't know if I'd really like fall in love with it. And I mean, things could change by next week, so we shall see. But so far I've been really liking this. I mean, I'm not too fond of the look of it, you know, it's a little bit, a lot going on, but I really love it. Also, if you're wondering where I got these tabs from, they are from it's Erin Condren, but I'm pretty sure I messed up because I meant to get the tabs that like everyone puts on their Petite Folios, but I got these and I didn't realize, because I guess in like online I couldn't really tell, it's clear stickers, so I had to put like, I cut up little pieces of paper to put in it so, you know, it wasn't see-through. So yeah, I kind of messed up on that, but I think it turned out well, and also it kind of fits my, I don't know, I just like it better. It's silver and like rose gold or gold, so I think that's pretty, instead of having like all the like colors that the other ones have. And this is from, I literally just got this today, it's from Office Max, because I looked at Michael's and I looked at Joann's and I couldn't really find anything, and I wanted like that 4-inch just like Erin Condren but in silver, because I think hers only has gold. So I found those there. If you're looking, it's like $5 for a pack of 10 or something like that. Okay, but getting back to the folios, I don't really want to show you like in depth. I guess I could show you this. I didn't use it obviously on Christmas because it was just, I had so much going on. I didn't need to really be looking at planner. It's kind of just like you go where your family goes, and we go to different sides of the family, and you know, Peter's side, my side. But this is pretty much how I'm using it. I do morning, day, night, and then I started it at 6 a.m. to 11, 12 to 5, and 6 to 11, and I found that it's really been working out for me. Also here I kind of just put some things I need to do if I have anything I need to do, and I've just really been liking it. So like, let's say I have a doctor's appointment or something like that at 3 o'clock, so I write that here. And if I'm going to the gym at this time or in the morning, I'll write it there. So it's kind of like a nice way to spread everything out and like see what you need to do at what time and get it accomplished, instead of like in my happy planner, I just have like the bulk or the main bits of my day. This is like a nice way to just kind of lay it all out. Because I noticed with just my regular happy planner, I have the vertical where it's set up in 3 different sections, and I kind of just have it in like, one section will be to-do list, the next one is like main appointments or whatever, and the next one's just kind of whatnot. Mostly it's keeping up with my Premier League soccer games. I like to have that down, and there's a lot of games, so almost every week I have something filling a 3rd box. But I found that this has been really nice, and I think if you're someone also that is maybe struggling to kind of like lay out or plan out your day, it's a nice addition. I know you could just, I mean, you literally could just have your happy planner as an hourly, or you can also have like an Erin Condren hourly layout already, but I just kind of wanted this, and I also wanted a purse planner, so I figured, well, this kind of like puts the 2 and 2 together. So this is what I'm doing right now, and I really like it. And definitely let me know if you use these too and how you use it. I know a lot of people, they'll have like 1 quarter for their daily, and then maybe like the next one is wellness and the next one is a budget insert, but I didn't buy it because I knew I wouldn't really use at least the Petite Folio for those like topics. If anything, I would use my happy planner, just classic size happy planner, as also like an insert with budget and everything like that. I didn't see myself using it in my Petite Folio. So hope this guys helped you out, kind of seeing how I use it. I definitely use it just kind of like as a notepad and planning out my day. I don't really add any stickers. I might have added a couple stickers during the holidays, and then also just the monthly, let's see here. So for the monthly, I just put also the major appointments, and I just do that, and my happy planner have the same major things on here, just so I know, like, if I do have this in my purse, I could easily look at this, because I don't know, I'm not a person that uses like the Google planners or like, you know, digital planners. I did try that for a little bit, and there's something about having it physically written down I just really like. But yeah, let me know how you have been getting along with your Petite Folio. Do you still use it? Because I think it's been out for quite a bit. So do you still use it, or do you have something else? And I'm definitely glad that I chose this over like the, what would you call it, the skinny mini or the skinny happy planners, because I knew some people were using that for the purse planners, but I didn't love it. I don't love how sometimes the cover would pop out, or like it wasn't a good travel planner. And maybe if it came out with some covers or something that would keep it a little bit more secure. I mean, I guess I could have put one of like these bands around it, but I've just fallen in love with this. And yes, so I hope that has helped you out, kind of given my perspective of it and my thoughts on it so far, because I've had it for just over a month and I'm still using it. But I'm thinking either my next video, I really have to do a video with Felix and how we adopted our dog Felix, because, you know, I still haven't posted a picture or anything. I haven't like shown anyone that we got him, and it's been like almost half a year. But yeah, he's looking so good because he was very malnourished at the beginning, and he's a happy husky now. So yes, that is it. I'm going to stop rambling and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!